My name is Anand Singh. I'm a product executive at CoreLogic, focused particularly on location intelligence. Location intelligence is all about harnessing the best of breed property and location data, combining that with the geospatial capabilities, and creating some insights that are very valuable to markets and industries across the board. We have a wide variety of use cases. Actually, geospatial is a very integral, deep part of our DNA in the company. I can talk about two major ones, the two recent product offerings that we have. One, we have used the property and location data to create a growth product. It's all about identifying where the growth is going to happen. And by growth, we mean construction activity, where it is happening right now and where it is going to happen in the future. Think about using property data in the sense of when a builder acquires a piece of land, when the subdivision happens, when the roads are being put in, when the addresses show up, when the building permits are being filed and issued. Combining that with the geospatial techniques, like understanding the geospatial adjacency, what's happening in my neighborhood, are there other construction activity happening? All that is culminating into our product analytics used by telecommunication companies to understand where do I expand my infrastructure, used by energy and utility companies, used by oil and gas, logistical companies. So that's a great showcase product. The other one is a climate risk analytics. So we're using a lot of climate risk data. We're not predicting whether a climate change will happen or not. It's about using what the International Panel for Climate Change is predicting, but applying that to deep property level information to come up with financial risk. Financial risk for every building in the United States. Geospatial is very much part of our DNA. We've modernized our entire data supply chain recently. We're all on the cloud, and we share very similar principles to CARTO as well, being cloud native, cloud first, in how we run our data supply chain and data pipeline. It's tremendous, not only internally to our business in the kind of analytics that we do, but also to our customers as well. These analytics surface up through a number of different products and solutions that directly impact the day-to-day decision making for our customers. Understanding where do I install a 5G antenna for a telecommunication company, understanding where the railroads are so I can do my infrastructure planning for railroads, oil and gas company, energy and utility companies, and even the core markets. Thinking about what property do I advise being a real estate agent or a broker to my client, where it is located, proximity to point of interest, for example, or understanding risk to my portfolio if I'm a mortgage lender or a servicer, are all great use cases that, again, not only power our internal analytics, but allow our customers to get to those insights as well. It's been fantastic. One, the people itself. Second, the strategy. As I mentioned, I think CoreLogic and CARTO share very fundamental, similar strategic principles in modernizing the technology, being cloud first, cloud native, sharing those principles and how do we modernize our tech stack, apply geospatial analytics in our day-to-day, it goes a long way in that partnership. I absolutely recommend CARTO for all the companies that are looking to apply geospatial analytics on a day-to-day basis. So it's been a great partnership and looking forward to the future as well.